What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Happy Hills Garage. Today is actually my birthday, and for my birthday I actually got myself a new exhaust. So this exhaust is the Track Edition from AWE for obviously the GR Corolla. Now I'm going to be taking you guys through what the Track Edition has in the box, as well as the differences between the Track Edition and the Touring Edition. So here's the Track Edition AWE exhaust for the GR Corolla. What's in here is, well, as you can see over there, a whole lot of packaging. So that's good. What else you have is obviously this is really the exhaust system. So here is the muffler for the center exhaust. So it still has the 3 exhaust exits, which means that it has this center portion, this one right here, and also this one, which is just this one just for the other side. So you have these two and the center portion. Let's take out the center portion. Some of you guys might be wondering how we're going to mount the exhaust valve to this thing. Well, here it is. This is what you're going to be doing. You're just going to be taking it off of the old one, putting it onto here, and it's not really going to do anything. It's just going to be there acting like it's doing something, so the engine light doesn't come on. That's cool. And honestly, this is not the lightest, but it's 304 stainless steel, so very nice there. With the exhaust, you also need the tips.
Nice.
And here they are. These look pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was a little bit skeptical about the gloss black. These are massive though. Oh my God. Obviously these are for the sides. This one's for the center. We'll see how they look when we get it on. But I think this is gonna go well with the black car, to be honest. And this is actually hilarious. They even give you a blow pop candy in the middle. Wow, how kind of them. All right, we're gonna set this to the side for now because there's one thing I missed. So what I missed, and I really hope it's in here, is the mid-pipe. Found it. Here is the mid-pipe. Just a straight mid-pipe. Even has the serial number and everything right here. Track Edition. So what makes this the Track Edition? Well, this right here, the mid-pipe, makes this entire system that I have the Track Edition. So the difference between the Track Edition and the Touring Edition that AWE has is basically they swap this mid-pipe out for one that has a muffler with their 180-degree technology. I believe it's called 180-degree. I'll put something here on the video and a link to both of these in the description down below. But apparently this has a bit of drone, which is to be expected. I'm not expecting there not to be drone, but I just kind of wanted to see what it sounded like. Plus, the Track Edition is the cheapest option. Now, the muffler you can buy separately, right? So you can buy this separately if you buy the Touring Edition, or you can buy the 180-degree technology muffler for the Touring Edition separately for about 400 or so bucks, I think. So if I really dislike the drone from the Track Edition, I might end up getting the muffler, but for now, this is what we're going with. We'll see how it sounds. I'm sure I'll love it, but maybe the drone will be a little bit too much. So that is what's in the package here and what the differences are between the Track Edition and the Touring Edition of AWE's GR Corolla exhaust. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, leave your comments in the comment section down below. Do you guys have this exhaust? If so, do you love the sound of either the Track Edition or the Touring? Do you even plan on getting this exhaust? And if you do, which one are you getting? If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I will be posting an install video here. If it's not at the end of the video, it will be on my channel, so go look for it there, and I'll post in the link in the description down below when it comes out. But that'll be all in the garage. It won't be on a lift or anything like that. So for all of you garage goers, this is the video for you. Anyways, peace out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.